Thank you. So now when you're talking about the Last Supper or the Lord's Supper, we are calling it the Last Supper because it was the last meal that he celebrated with his disciples before his arrest. Before he was arrested, that was the last meal. And it was a Passover meal. Do you remember why people celebrated the Passover? Why? In obedience of God's command to Moses. Yes? He commanded Moses to celebrate it with the Israelites before they were done delivered from Egypt. So it was a reminder. They were supposed to celebrate the Passover. They were supposed to keep on celebrating year in, year out as a remembrance. So, first, what we've read is the preparations for the Passover. Who are the two disciples who were sent by Jesus to prepare the Passover meal? Yes? Yes, Peter and John. What were they told? To go where? Raise up your hand. To go where? What were they told? To go where? Where were they told to go? Where were they told to go? Yes, very good. To the city. Yes? And they will find what? They will find who doing what? Raise up your hand. Yes? Yes, very good. They will find a man carrying a jar of water, or you can call it a vessel of water, right? Yes? And they will tell him to show them where the Lord will celebrate his what? His Passover. So they were taken to an upper room. Yes. And they prepared the meal as instructed by Jesus. Then we also read about the Passover meal. How many disciples were there? They were 12. During the meal, they were 12. So that's when he took the cup, yes? And did what? It was a cup of what? Of wine. Yes, he gave thanks to God. And he said they take it and share it among the what? Yes. So they did what? They shared. And before they shared, he told them that what does it symbolize? Raise up your hand. We've already read, yes? Yes, the blood that is going to be done what? Shed for the forgiveness of sins. Then, after they drank the wine, he took a piece of what? Bread. And gave thanks to. And he said that the bread represented what? Yes? Yes, very good. His body that will be given to them. Yes? So, after, as they were, he also talked about he said the body will be given to them, and his death was a sacrifice for a new covenant. So we'll talk about a new covenant later. So, the Passover meal, remember, and I want to remind you again, it was a remembrance of the deliverance from where? Egypt.